This platform right here called PropellerAds.com is absolutely an amazing platform that you can use to run profitable ad campaign and go on to making money online. That's why in today's video I'm going to walk you through how you can actually set up a campaign with Propeller Ads and go on to making money with CPA marketing right here. So do walk with me as we dive right into the video right now. If you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online, both with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the help of some AI tools. If you like such content, scroll through my channel and make sure you actually do like the videos that you do watch, subscribe to the channel, and also make sure your notification bell is turned on all. So with that being said, let's dive right into today's video. So if you do want to just simply come onto a platform like CPA Grip to go on to creating an account right now, this is a CPA marketing platform you could grab hold of. You could click on register, be brought to this page right here. Provide your basic details on all fields with the red asterisk signs, as that indicates the required field you must fill out before an account can be created on this platform. Agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes like I did right now, and go on to clicking on register to get your account created before logging into your account. And guys, you can also use any other CPA marketing platform of your choice to run this strategy. Is also going to work right there. So right now guys, once you've actually logged into your account, to get to this offer tool section, you want to come right here, select this offer tool option, and you want to just simply see this drop down list that will be shown to you. Select my offers, you'll be brought to this page, and you could just simply go on to filtering your offers to any country of your choice to go on to promoting that offer right now. So if you select any country, you'll be able to see offers available to that country specifically only. You can select the category of offer if you want. You can actually go on to filtering based on other details right here, but I'm going to leave that as it is right now. I can just simply come right here and filter my offers based on payouts. You can see the highest paying offers are first right here, which is an offer that pays you about $10.27. So for me to actually go on to utilizing this offer, I need to click on this right here, and I'll be able to see more details about the offer that is for a €500 gift card right now. As you can see right here, it's for people in the United States that uses Apple iOS devices. All they need to do is to submit their email address or zip code while going through this particular survey using this unique affiliate link which you do have right here, and you're going to get paid about $10.27 for every person that actually does that. Now what you want to do right now is just simply click on copy link, copy the link to the offer, and go on to creating a simple landing page either with Google Sites or the breezy.cloud or any other free landing page builder site of your choice. You could also use a paid one right now, but there are a lot of free ones that you could just simply grab hold of, like Google Sites, Systemy.io, GetResponse, breezy.io, Webflow, and a lot more cool website that you can just simply go into downloading or creating a simple landing page for absolutely free. But right now guys, if you want to just simply learn how to create a landing page and you're finding it difficult, just simply come onto my channel, it's OJ Marketing, click on this search icon and just simply go on to typing in landing page. And if you do type in landing page right now and click on enter, you'll be able to see a lot of cool videos I created for you that could help you go on to creating simple landing pages right now. This one shows you how to create a landing page and earn up to $500 a day. This one shows you how to go on to creating a landing page with Systemy.io. This is with Google Sites. This is also Systemy.io. This with Webflow. This is actually with breezy.cloud. So check out those videos right there, as they could help you create professional looking landing pages. So once that has actually been done right there, you want to just simply go on to promoting your offers on that landing page with this particular platform called PropellerAds.com. As with this platform guys, you can run profitable ad campaign with any of these ad formats such as push notification, in-page push notification, interstitial notification, the pop under right here. And you can see that there are actually some cool bidding model like the CPC, which is the cost per click, the cost per action, the cost per million, the AI based, and the smart CPC right now. Now for you to actually register for an account, you want to click on start, and once you do click on start right now, you're going to be brought to a page such as this, where you can actually go on to signing up right there, either as an advertiser or as a publisher. If you're signing up as an advertiser, that means you want to promote your product or CPA offers. But if you're signing up as a publisher, that means you want to monetize your web traffic, your mobile, your social, or in-app traffic right now, but you want to make sure you sign up as an advertiser. If you do sign up as an advertiser, you should be brought to a page that will look similar to this once your account just simply gets created. And to actually go on to running campaigns, first you need to fund your account, and to fund that, come right here, click on add funds, and you'll be brought to this page where you can fund your account with any of the options available to you via this section. Now once your account has been funded, come right here, click on create campaign, and you can actually go on to editing details about the offer. You can give your offer a name. Maybe I can just simply come right here and select something like CPA offer. You want to select an advertising format you want to utilize. I'm going to select the push notification because I prefer that. For the cost per click or the pricing model, I'm going to select the cost per click because I actually prefer that. Right here, I prefer turning off the in-page push notification because that only works on all platforms including iOS and all browsers, but I prefer using normal classic push notification right here only. So now for the target URL, you want to paste in either the link to that CPA marketing offer or the link to your landing page if your landing page is already linked to your CPA offer. So you want to do that right now. If you're using your landing page, make sure you do check out this box right here that says I own this landing page, but if you're not, you can actually uncheck that right now. In this section which says traffic source, you want to just simply select the traffic source you want to use. Either you want to use the exclusive inventory, which is high quality traffic from your exclusive supply partners, which is best for testing, or you want to just simply use the partner traffic, which is selected supply partners traffic filtered by their anti-fraud system. User activity targeting is not available, but it's best for scaling campaign. So right now you could select any one of your choice, or you could leave both turned on. And right now you could go into the user activity, leave that as it is. For the country and bid section, I'm just going to go into selecting the country which that offer is available to. Since that offer is for the United Kingdom, I'm going to select that. For the cost per click, you can see the recommended amount is about 0.069 and the maximum is about $0.18. So right now I'm just going to put in something like slightly above the recommended. Maybe I would just want to simply settle with 0.1. That's actually okay. It doesn't exceed the maximum. For the target by, you want to target either by cities or by states, but I'm going to leave that by cities. And you want to come right here to this advertising budget section and insert your budget. But take note of something, that if you do go into inserting budgets that are actually below $30 right now, that might actually go into exceeding your budget right there. As you can see, please note the budget below $30 might be exceeded. That means if you do put in a budget about below $30, it might actually exceed that for a single day right there. But if you do put in something from $30 and above, it's going to stick with that right now and not exceed that for any reason right there. Now for the total campaign budget, maybe you want to run this your ad for, let me say, 8 days. You're going to multiply 8 by 30, and that should actually give us $40, I think. So once you do put in your total campaign budget right there, you want to go to put in the targeting platform. Since that offer is an iOS offer, I'm going to just simply select mobile and desktop. I'm going to select the Mac OS, and right now you can see much more details about the offer right here. We're actually going to checking out the total traffic available for the last 24 hours. You can see right here that this is the amount of clicks you should be able to get, and this is the amount of conversions right there in the red, about 52% conversion. So right now you could just simply go into selecting the interest of the offer. I'm going to select giveaway because that's a giveaway offer, but it's not gender specific and it's not also age specific, so I'm going to leave that as it is. Now you can see the graphs that's actually going on to changing right here, but you can actually go on to turning this off right now, and the graph is also going to change right here. So what actually works better for you, you want to leave that as it is. So I'm going to leave this page better as it is right there, and you want to just simply scroll through to this creative section where you're going to just simply go into editing how you want your ad to appear for your audience. You're going to be able to see the preview section right now. Now supposing I want to just simply insert a title, I can go into CPA Grip and copy this exact title right now from CPA Grip right here. If I copy the title, I'm going to head back to this platform, paste in that particular title. For the description, I'm going to put in something quite similar to that, and you can see right here that I've exceeded the maximum amount of characters I can use. So I'm just going to go on to editing this right now to something like this, and you can see this is quite better right here. Now you want to just simply go on to inserting images for icon and landscape. So if I want to just simply insert for icon right here. Maybe I want to just simply use the same image. I'm just going to select this and click on select and select the section I want to show for that particular icon. And now if I do click on crop, that has actually been added, and you can see that here. For the landscape section, you want to do something quite similar and go on to selecting that right there. As you can see, this is the image for the offer right now. So if you want to get this image, it is quite easy to do so. You could just simply go onto that CPA marketing platform, right click on the image and click on save image as, and go on to saving the image on your device. That's how easy it is. Once you do that right there, as you can see, this is how the ad is going to look like for my audience. You can actually go on to checking out that this is how it's going to look on Android, this is how it's going to look on the Windows, and also this is how it's going to look for Mac OS devices. So you can actually then go on to creating much more other creatives right here. By clicking on add creative, you can create a different creative, and it is recommended that you add at least 4 creatives right there with a different icon, different banner, different text combinations. Now those are actually help you go on to increasing your chances of getting better conversions to your offer, because you never might know which creative is going to work better based on the text combination and also the images you actually did add right there. So you can actually go on to using a different title, a different description, and also a different logo and landscape images for your audience to actually go on to seeing a different kind of one right there. So that can actually work right there for each creative. Make sure that they are different right now. You can then just simply go on to agree to and declare that you guarantee that the campaign meets the quality guideline before running your campaign on this platform by clicking on start campaign. So you can actually see how easy it is to just simply go on to running profitable campaign on this platform. If the video did add some value, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.